Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your laptop's home screen feels a little dull or outdated, don't worry. Today I'll show you exactly how to change your home screen, desktop background, and even your lock screen in just a few easy steps. Whether you're using Windows 10 or 11, this quick guide will help you give your laptop a fresh new look. So let's dive right in. First, click on your Start menu and type Settings. Once it opens, select Personalization. This is where all your appearance options live: your wallpaper, theme, lock screen, colors, and more. Inside Personalization, you'll see different options to customize your laptop's look. If you want a complete style change, go to Themes. From here, you can switch between light mode and dark mode. Dark mode not only looks sleek, but also changes the color scheme across your apps and system interface. Now, to give your desktop a new background, click on Background. In the drop-down menu, select Picture, then click Browse to upload your favorite image. It could be a landscape, your pet, or anything you like. Once you've chosen your image, make sure to set the Picture Fit option to Fill. This ensures your wallpaper looks perfect on your screen without stretching or cutting off edges. Next, let's change your lock screen. Still in the Personalization menu, click on Lock Screen. Under Personalize your lock screen, select Picture from the drop-down and upload a new image the same way you did for your desktop. This gives your laptop a consistent and customized look every time you wake it up. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've transformed your laptop's entire look, from your desktop to your lock screen. If this video helped you make your laptop feel more you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future customization or tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.